When it comes to transforming everyday meals into extraordinary culinary creations, the right cookware makes all the difference. Enter this Martha Stewart 3.5-quart enameled cast iron braiser with lid. Known for her impeccable taste and commitment to quality, Martha Stewart's cookware collection brings elegance, functionality, and style to every kitchen. This cast iron braiser is no exception. Offering a perfect blend of performance and aesthetics, this piece is designed to help you cook with ease and serve with flair. Whether you're simmering stews, braising meats, or baking casseroles, the Martha Stewart 3-5-quart braiser will quickly become an indispensable tool in your kitchen. Let's explore the features that make this cookware stand out and why it's worth the investment for home cooks and food enthusiasts alike. Why the Martha Stewart 3.5-quart enameled cast iron braiser is a must-have. The Martha Stewart enameled cast iron braiser combines beautiful design with high-quality construction, offering a level of versatility and performance that's hard to beat. Here's a breakdown of why this product is a game-changer for any home cook. Key features and benefits. The Martha Stewart braiser is made from durable cast iron, which is known for its superior heat retention and even heat distribution. Cast iron ensures that your food is cooked uniformly, whether you're slow simmering, braising, or baking. This means fewer hot spots and more consistent results every time. With its vibrant enameled finish, this braiser is as functional as it is beautiful. The enamel resists stains, making it easy to wipe clean after use. No more worrying about the hassle of scrubbing off burnt food or worrying about rust. This enamel finish ensures your pot stays looking brand new for years to come. The self-basting lid is designed with raised grooves that redirect moisture back onto the food while cooking. This ensures your dishes remain moist and flavorful, reducing the chances of dry, overcooked meals. Whether you're braising meats or slow-cooking stews, the lid helps create a continuous basting environment for the perfect outcome. The stunning gold-colored knob on the lid adds a touch of elegance to the braiser, elevating it from a functional cooking tool to a statement piece in your kitchen. The color contrast against the soft linen hue of the exterior creates an aesthetically pleasing look that complements any kitchen decor. The braiser is equipped with wide, ergonomic handles, making it easy to transport from the stovetop to the oven and even to the table for serving. The handles are designed to offer a balanced grip, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold, especially when transferring the hot pot. Compatible with all cooking surfaces, including induction stoves, this versatile braiser works just as well on the stovetop as it does in the oven. Plus, it can withstand oven temperatures up to 450 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for a variety of cooking methods. Whether you're searing, slow cooking, or baking. Whether you're making soups, stews, casseroles, braised meats, or even bread, the Martha Stewart 3.5-quart braiser excels in delivering even heat for consistent cooking. Its ample size provides enough room for family meals, yet it's compact enough for easy storage. Why you'll love cooking with Martha Stewart's cast iron braiser. Not only does the Martha Stewart enameled cast iron braiser excel in performance, but it's also an attractive addition to your kitchen. The beautiful linen color adds a soft, sophisticated touch to your kitchen decor, while the gold-colored knob adds a luxurious feel. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or cooking a quiet family meal, this braiser ensures your dishes will be both delicious and beautifully presented. Who should buy the Martha Stewart 3.5-quart enameled cast iron braiser? This braiser is a perfect addition for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're a novice or an experienced chef. It's ideal for home cooks who enjoy preparing hearty stews, casseroles, and braised dishes. Entertainers who want to impress their guests with both beautiful presentation and exceptional food. Families that need durable, versatile cookware that can handle a variety of meal types. Induction stove owners who are seeking cookware that's compatible with their induction cooktops. Conclusion: a beautiful and versatile addition to your kitchen. The Martha Stewart 3.5-quart enameled cast iron braiser combines performance, beauty, and ease of use, making it a must-have for any home cook. Whether you're braising meats, slow cooking stews, or baking casseroles, this durable and stylish cookware will help you achieve delicious results every time. With its elegant design and versatile functionality, this braiser is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.